Have you made a mistake recently? That's okay, but let me share a whakatauki that reminds us not to go back and make the same mistake again. E kore te pātiki e hoki ki tōna puehu. The flounder never returns to the dust that it stirred. This whakatauki is a reminder that although making mistakes is just part of life, the key is to learn from them and never make the same mistake again. Just like the pātiki who never returns to his old hiding spot once disturbed. You can use this whakatauki as a reminder to your whānau or to a team member that it's okay to make mistakes, and remind them that this is actually just an opportunity to learn and grow so that they can move forward. Or sometimes we actually use this whakatauki to acknowledge where we've been mistreated or burned by somebody. This whakatauki reminds us to be resilient, but also to remember this moment. We don't want to be burned and fooled again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. E kore te pātiki e hoki ki tōna puehu.